Are you sick of getting distracted while working?
In this video, we'll show you how to block websites on Chrome using extensions. Let's dive right in.
Let's search for a reliable website blocking extension. In the Chrome Web Store, you'll find various options, but one popular choice is this one. It's user-friendly and offers great features. Click on Add to Chrome and confirm the installation.
Once it's added, you'll notice a small icon in the top right corner of your browser.
Click on the icon. In the settings, you can add the website you want to block. Simply enter the URL of the site. You can schedule blocking during certain hours. Once you've added all the websites you want to block, make sure to click on the Save button to apply the changes. And that's it. You've successfully blocked websites on Chrome using the Block Site extension. Now, whenever you try to access a blocked site, you'll be greeted with a friendly reminder to stay focused. Watch this video next to become a MacBook Pro.